So we have designed a very customized drone for NMDC, and this drone is a Octaquad X8 configuration coaxial drone. For the first time in India, you see a coaxial drone customized with the Indian propulsion system, having the motors, propellers, propulsion system, everything is made in India. And this drone is a 25 kg payload drone and having two different payloads. One drone with a hyperspectral sensor, another drone with a magnetometer, and this is the first time they are using it for the mineral exploration in India. And we thank NMDC choosing Marut Drones for providing these drones for the mineral exploration. And the uniqueness is this: in mining and mineral exploration, this is a very disruptive drone, and the first time in India, NMDC is using these drones for the mineral exploration, and this is one of the biggest breakthrough in the mining and the mineral exploration space. The uniqueness of this custom drones is the safety feature. If one of the motors gets fail or stops, the other motors get the thrust and land safely.